Good morning, Jaden. We're going to look at our goal folder today, okay? So here's our goals from the beginning of the year. So in reading, it said that you wanted to read books. Have we started to read books?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're starting to meet that goal. Have we read a chapter book yet?
No, we haven't read that yet.
Not yet, but do you think we'll get there by the end of the year?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, and in writing, you want to be able to spell things. Are we learning to spell words?
Yeah.
Yeah, what are some words that you can spell?
I can spell and, I can spell green, I can spell orange, I can spell...
So sight words and color words? Wonderful. And your math goal is that you want to learn to add and know more than. Have we practiced more than and less than in class? Yeah. Have we learned to add yet?
We're getting to it.
We're getting to it. Yep. So have we met all of our goals for the end of the year yet?
No, not yet.
But are we getting closer than when we started? Yeah, so we're definitely learning. So let's look at our reading
Skills?
skills. Yep, so here's our rocket. And it says, I know all my upper and lower case letters. Have you met that goal for the year?
Yeah.
Yeah, so now that you know all of your letters, should we look at your sounds?
Mm-hmm.
Isabella, so tell me about your data folder.
My data folder keeps track of all my scores that I got on tests and like essential standards.
So why is there different colors? What's this one? What are essential standards first?
Those are things we have to master by the end of 4th grade.
Okay.
And the blue one is for my score, and then the pink one on top shows how much I got after I redid it.
Oh, okay, so you originally had a 70, and what is this purple line?
That's the limit of how much we have to get.
Oh, okay, so you have to get at least an 80 to master? Good, and then you redid it and you got all the way to 100? Good job. Benchmarks, okay. And how does the rubric help you? Because here's your writing piece with your scores. How does the rubric help you?
The rubric helps you because then you get to know how many points are, like how you can get the most points into something and how to write your essay.
Good.
Benchmark, I got a 36 out of 47, which was 70%, and now I got a 46 out of 60, which is a 77%, so I improved 7%.
Okay. And then what are some standards that you improved on, in particularly from one benchmark to another?
In benchmark 1 for RL 8.2, which was like determine the theme and central idea of the text, I got 60% approaches for the first benchmark, and then I got 100%. And this helped me when I did this theme test a while back, and I got a 4 out of 5, which was at 80%, and I mastered the theme.
Okay, so that was the retake after our first assessment that we took, and I gave you one to get a better score on your test.
Yeah.
Okay, and you mastered it. And it shows that you are growing from one benchmark to another. I see what you're doing. Okay, and so what standards are we going to focus on today then?
Analogies and some convention, function and verbal infinities, which is like sentences functions, and vocabulary, which was one of our top 3 things that we had hard time focusing on the second benchmark.
Right. And so you're going to go through and you're going to watch the tutorials on them.
Yeah.
And then you're going to create your own product of some sort. So we're going to start with the figurative language one then.
Okay.
Yes. And so let's look at your chart and find that on the chart and see how you do.